Imagine being the woman a man can't stop thinking about. Imagine being the reason he smiles for no reason. Imagine holding a place in his heart that no other woman could ever reach. Sounds like a dream. Well, today, it's about to become your reality. Because love isn't just chemistry or fate. It's a psychological dance, a connection built not by chance, but by understanding the hidden forces that draw two people. Closer psychologists have spent decades studying attraction, attachment, and emotional bonding. And the truth is, there are specific things a woman can do, subtle, powerful things that create irresistible feelings in a man's heart. Today, I'm revealing 5 psychology-backed secrets that can make a man truly fall in love with you. Not just the butterflies or fleeting excitement, but deep, lasting love, the kind that makes him see you as the one. So if you're ready to unlock the power within you, stay with me until the very end. Because secret number 5, it's the one that most women overlook, and it's the true game changer. Let's dive in. We set up the journey before we dive into the secrets. Let's be real, you can't force someone to love you. True love can't be manufactured, but you can create an emotional environment where love naturally blooms. It's like planting a seed and giving it the perfect sunlight, water and care without the right conditions. The seed won't grow, but with the right environment, it blossoms into something beautiful and unstoppable. Love is the same using psychology. You can tap into the emotional triggers that spark feelings of connection, trust, admiration, and devotion in a man. Today, we're not talking about manipulation, we're talking about authenticity, real techniques that align with who you are. So, he falls in love with your soul, not just the surface. Get ready, because after today, you'll have a new kind of confidence, the kind that makes love almost inevitable. Secret 1: create emotional safety when it comes to love. Men and women are both searching for something powerful. Safety, yes, even the strongest, most confident man secretly craves emotional safety, a place where he feels accepted, understood, and not judged, where he can be vulnerable without fear. Psychology says when a man feels emotionally safe with a woman, his brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Oxytocin literally makes him want to be around you more. So, how do you create this kind of safety? 1. Listen without judgment when he talks about his dreams, his fears, his mistakes. Listen with your whole heart. Don't interrupt. Don't rush to offer solutions. Just be present. 2. Validate his emotions. Even if you don't agree with everything he says, acknowledge his feelings. Say things like, "That makes sense, you'd feel that way. I can see why that would bother." Show loyalty, you. 3. Show loyalty. In small moments, men notice the little things when you stand up for him, when he's not around, when you protect his image in front of others, when you choose to believe the best in him. He feels safe. Story. Example, think about this. There's a reason why so many men say their mothers were their safe place, not because their mothers were perfect, but because they felt accepted no matter what. You can create that same emotional bond, not as a mother, but as a partner who embraces his real self. Pro tip. Next time he shares something vulnerable, say, "Thank you for trusting me with that." It will hit him deeper than you realize. Secret 2, make him feel like a hero. Here's a psychology fact that few women know. Men have a deep biological need to feel like heroes. It's called the hero instinct, a term popularized by relationship expert James Bauer. According to psychology, the male brain is wired to seek respect, appreciation, and a sense of purpose, especially in relationships. Translation: if you make a man feel needed without being needy, you activate a powerful emotional drive that makes him attached to you. How to trigger his hero instinct. 1. Ask for his help in small ways. It could be fixing something, giving advice, or lifting something heavy. It sounds small, but it taps into his desire to provide and protect. 2. Appreciate what he does. Even the little things, thank him sincerely for showing up. making you laugh, helping you out, being there. Men often don't hear appreciation enough, and when they do, they light up 3. Believe in his dreams, be the woman who says, I believe in you. I know you can do this. When you speak life into his dreams, he sees you as his partner in his mission, not just a girlfriend or wife. Story example, a man once said, the woman I married wasn't the most beautiful I dated, but she believed in me like no one else did. She made me feel like I could conquer the world. Powerful, right? Pro tip. Avoid criticizing him in public. It crushes the hero instinct. Instead, build him up in front of others. You'll see his love for you deepen faster than you thought possible. Secret 3. Master the art of master mystery. Mystery. There's something incredibly attractive about mystery. Psychology says humans are wired to be intrigued by what they can't fully predict. This is why, when you're a little unpredictable, you stay exciting when you reveal your heart. Slowly, you stay captivating when you have a life outside the relationship. You remain a challenge, and men love a challenge. How to create mystery. 1. Keep some parts of your life private. At first, you don't have to spill your whole life story. On date 2, let him earn your layers. 2. Stay busy with your passions, a woman who's chasing her dreams, improving herself and living a full life. Unstoppable, unforgettable. 3. Give him space to wonder if he texts you. You don't have to answer in 0.2 seconds every time. Let him miss you a little. Let him wonder what you're doing. Story example. Think about your favorite TV show or book series. What keeps you hooked? It's not knowing everything all at once. It's the slow unfolding of the story. You are the story. Let him read you, chapter by chapter. Pro tip. The goal isn't to play games. It's to be naturally layered. Real mystery is just being fully you without rushing to prove emotional memories yourself. Secret 4. Build emotional memories together. Love is built on memories. Psychology says when 2 people share emotionally charged experiences, it bonds them at a subconscious level. Good memories create a mental highlight reel he plays over and over in his mind, making him associate you with happiness, excitement, comfort, and love. Ways to build emotional memories. 1. Try new things together. Take a cooking class. Go on a spontaneous road trip. Watch a sunset from a new place novelty. Emotional glue 2. Be present during the small moments. Laugh over breakfast. Have deep conversations at 2 a.m. Dance in the living room. 3. Support him through emotional highs and lows. Be there when he wins and when he loses. Shared emotions. Good and bad, deepen the bond. Story example, a man once said, when I think of her, I think of laughing in the rain, late night drives, and the way she hugged me when I felt like giving up. I loved her because she became part of my happiest memories. Pro tip. You don't need fancy trips or huge moments. It's the emotions that matter, not the respect. His need for freedom, setting, secret. 5. Respect his need for freedom. Here's the paradox of love. The more free a man feels with you, the more deeply he falls for you. Psychology says humans crave both connection and autonomy. When a relationship feels too controlling, suffocating, or needy, people instinctively pull away ways to respect his freedom. 1. Have your own life. Dreams and friends. Don't lose yourself in the relationship. The more fulfilled you are individually, the more attractive you are to him. 2. Trust him. Jealousy and constant checking in. Scream insecurity. Trust is sexy. 3. Encourage his passions, even if they don't involve you. If he loves hiking guitar or building businesses, cheer him on, even if you're not directly involved. Story example. A man once said, "She never made me feel trapped. She made me feel like choosing her. Every day was my own adventure, not an obligation." That's how you win a man's heart for life. Pro tip. The woman who gives freedom without fear becomes irresistible. Final message. So there you have it. 5 powerful secrets grounded in psychology that can make a man truly fall in love with you. Create emotional safety. Trigger his hero instinct. Embrace your natural mystery. Build emotional memories together. Respect his need for freedom. Love isn't about being perfect. It's about being real and understanding the hidden emotional needs that every man, even if he doesn't admit it, longs for. Remember this: when you love yourself first, when you live fully, when you bring emotional richness into a man's life, you become the woman he didn't even know he was searching for you. Don't chase love. You attract it effortlessly. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more powerful psychology-based insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Tell me in the comments which secret surprised you the most. Until next time, keep shining, because real love begins with you.